Today I'm going through the AQA GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 9, one side of the triangle is extended, circle the angle of x. So here we can use the exterior angle theorem, so that two other angles added together equals the exterior angle of the other angle. So 40 plus 60 equals 100, so the answer is 100. Alternatively, if you didn't know that, you could do 40 plus, you can find the missing angle using angles in a triangle add up to 180 and then subtract that from 180 because angles on a straight line equals 180, but you would get the same answer. Question 10. Pavel uses his calculator to work out 352 times by 7,268. Circle the last digit of the answer. At first you might think you have to work out the whole answer, but you don't, because the last digit is only counted only one number is there. You don't have to add anything from carries or anything. So you do 2 times by 8, which is 16, and the last digit of that is 6. So the answer would have the last digit of 6. Like and subscribe for more GCSE math related videos.